Rogobindo kain bega igo. Roar sini bua. Sa ben bega igo maya. Kristen ni banua. Kino na igo igo ngone urang awin bua. Roar sini bua. Main sini gua, kema di marau, ento kaya rokoni ugina, nakena mai awdi wana nakena ibu orang, ini sini gua.
Central College School Management, the principal, Mr. Lal and staff of Moore College, students, parents, guardians of Moore College. Welcome and a very good morning to you all. It is with great pleasure and I'm equally honored to meet you at this Moore College Prefect's investiture and thank you for the warm welcome and traditional ceremonies accorded to us. This is my first official engagement in a school prefect's investiture after ascending to the position of the President of Fiji and head of state. And it is personally special for me to be your chief guest because the reason that I am being a former student and the fact that I am very proud of. Both Central College, I am equally proud to say, has molded many professionals, including doctors, teachers, professors, nurses, and other well-known professionals. Despite its location and the hardships and challenges faced at Moore Central College. Today, I am proud to stand before you as head of state and president of Fiji, being molded and bred from this institution. That is a challenge for you. And I'm particularly thankful to God and my parents for giving me the opportunity to live and learn the real struggles of rural life. I entered the gates of Moore College from 1978 to 1981, and I spent 4 years in these premises being molded and taught through the school system. I had my choice of school, but because of some poor choices as a young adult, my father decided that I attend a school chosen by my late adopted mother, Miss Balebanigi. I share maternal links with the province of Mbua, and I now strongly believe that the choice of the school was all God's plan for me. I was not a prefect, but I'm blessed that I was born a traditional leader, and that is a privilege that has shaped my life until now. In this day and age, there are many factors that we consider challenges, but I strongly believe that the effects of the digital era continues to have a profound impact on all our lives. The digital platform was initially invented to make work and life easier for us. 2 decades down the line, we realize that it has done more harm than good. It's creating more social issues and is becoming a threat to our foundation, our families and the Vanua. For us to realize our strength in terms of successful family units and for better outcomes, I think it is time to reflect and ponder on what we want to do to ensure that our families and the Vanua is where one will be comfortable, feel safe, secure, and has strong values. For a strong foundation in the Vanua, traditional values and culture is to be taught and embedded in children. With these traditions and culture are correctly instilled, then we can expect positive changes and we can be assured of a promising future. The value we want to build include respect, humility, and confidence amongst others. As prefects, you will grow to be leaders, be adults, and become parents eventually. The 3 values of respect, humility, and confidence needs to be nurtured so that it's delivered from the heart. We need to ensure that we think, act, and do everything with humility for rules, laws, obligation, respect for others, for culture and tradition, and confidence in yourself and others around you. Today will also be an important and memorable occasion for students who will become prefects. So I'm sure you share the same excitements of the day with me. I wish to share with you my guiding Bible verse from Jeremiah 29:11. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, and plan to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Take comfort in this verse, as it is a promise to immediately rescue us from hardships, suffering, and challenge. It is a promise that God has a plan for our lives, regardless of our current situation. He can work through it to make you prosper and give you hope. You are an anointed leader today. Listen to what God has for you. Follow where He directs you. Be strong and have faith in you first and foremost. Be sure to remind Him of His calling on you and always acknowledge Him in your own way. To the parents who are part of this morning ceremony, I encourage you to continue playing your part in the education of your children. Our government's education initiatives now mean that your responsibility has been lessened to buying your children's uniform, shoes, bags, stationery, and children's bus fare assistance. Even with government initiative in place, you are still the first teachers, counselors, and mentors for our children. They look up to you before they do everyone else. Be the best examples for them. To the students of Mbua Central College, the reality of achieving anything you wish in life is in your hands. what you do to become, what you do to achieve. The choice is yours. So dream big, work hard, surround yourself with those who support and encourage your growth and progress. May God the Almighty continue to bless Fiji and each of us.